AIRCARE HDC311 Replacement Wicking Humidifier Filter by AIRCARE is one of the best sellers among baby accessories products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Honeycomb construction with antimicrobial and particulate trapping treatment. Specially treated to resist mold and mildew. Package contains 3 wicks. Meets AIRCARE standards, made in America. Compatible with AIRCARE model, AIRCARE. A good humidifier is only as good as its wick. Be sure to always use AIRCARE brand wicks filters which have been independently tested to ensure they meet high standards. Replace your wick at least once per season, or more often under hard water conditions. Use with AIRCARE humidifier. Warning: this product can expose you to chemicals including benzene, which is known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. For more information go to www.h65warnings.gov.